let me see your muscles too. Show me your muscles, guys. Yeah. Do these ones up here. Err.